Okay guys, it is finally Friday. Today we are going to pack all this stuff up and bring it down to the other shop. This whole side here. Put it in the trailer. This way it's there when we need it, instead of running back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So that's so far what we got going. Then I want to straighten up this shop a lot more than it is, because this place is a dang mess. But we'll get it. Okay. Got the fan for the inside, well, not the fan, but the housing for the heater fan in place. When we did that, this did not fit anymore. So we had to kind of modify it a bit to do like a little over the lip here. So as of tomorrow, when the paint dries, we'll put that on. Repainted all of the little trim on the 79 Trans Am, just because I didn't like the way it looked. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we will see you guys after the weekend.